Eat this 2-ingredient pancake every morning and watch your body fat disappear. Before we start with this video, I would like to ask you a simple question: do you like pancakes? Well, I know that I do. I've recently tried this simple recipe and it's awesome. It's both delicious and super healthy. We all know that pancakes are an all-American food favorite, and staple for any household that has kids in them and ones that don't for that matter. Being the classier version of waffles, nothing reminds people of breakfast more than a tall stack of pancakes. The good thing about pancakes is that they are an amazingly delicious breakfast food. But the bad thing about them is that most commercial pancake mixes are full of extra processed sugar, bleached white flour, gluten, hydrogenated fats and more. Making pancakes is incredibly easy, and all of these extra ingredients added into commercial pancake mix does nothing but put your health at risk. Today is your lucky day, because today I'm going to share my secret pancake recipe with you. Today I'm going to show you how to easily make healthy and delicious pancakes with just 2 ingredients that you probably already have in your house: eggs and bananas. This pancake recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. But first, let me say a few words about the ingredients. Health benefits of eggs. Eggs are awesome. They are loaded with healthy nutrients, vitamins and protein. Eggs are an incredibly nutritious component of breakfast that everybody should try to include at least every other day. They are rich in a variety of vitamins and other nutrients, including Vitamin A, Vitamin B5, Vitamin B12, Vitamin B2, folate, phosphorus, selenium. You should also know that eggs are loaded with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can aid in weight loss and can reduce inflammation. It also helps raise the HDL, or good cholesterol, which can help prevent heart disease and the various health conditions that accompany it. Note: we all know that many people, especially bodybuilders, tend to eat only eggs whites or just avoid eating eggs in general, because they believe that the cholesterol found in the yolk can contribute to cholesterol buildup in the body. However, several studies have shown that consuming whole eggs has little to no effect on the body's cholesterol levels, with one study finding that eating eggs had no effect on 70% of the study participants' cholesterol, while the effect it had on the remaining 30% was insignificant. Health benefits of bananas. We all love bananas, right? Bananas are delicious, nutritious and malleable fruit. We all know that bananas can be easily added to a variety of recipes and work great for giving pancakes a solid shape. They contain a significant amount of fiber and also several antioxidants. Some of the vitamins, minerals and other nutrients found in bananas include potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, manganese, net carbs, protein. The medical experts say that bananas are also very effective at both regulating blood sugar levels and reducing hunger. This is due to 2 types of fiber found in bananas called pectin and resistant starch. Both of these fibers moderate blood sugar levels and, if eaten after a meal, reduce hunger by slowing the emptying of the stomach. You should also know that bananas are extremely effective at lowering blood pressure due to its potassium content. This, combined with the banana's ability to regulate blood sugar, makes it an incredibly food for preserving heart health. Banana egg pancake recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 1/2 cup of ripe, finely mashed bananas, 2 eggs. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just put the bananas and eggs in a bowl and mix them well. Now you need to place 1/4 of the mixture on a pan over medium heat. When it starts bubbling, flip and cook the other side briefly. This is 1 pancake. Note: continue to do this with the remainder of the batter. It should amount to around 4 or 5 pancakes. And that's it. Enjoy your delicious, easy to make, 2-ingredient pancakes. These pancakes will improve your heart health and help you lose weight as now. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.